January 6th, 6:16 in the morning. About to clock in at 7. 18 degrees outside. Whew, that's cold. My hands are freezing. Yeah. See what today brings. And hopefully you guys like the content. If you really do like it, you know, subscribe, like, dislike, you know, comment. What you guys do better in the situations that we, you know, get into. So, all right, I'll catch you guys later. All right, got another job. Got Hydrant, and after that, someone's got a break, so we'll go in and help them after do this Hydrant. But just getting my stuff, the usual, getting ready. Need to prep again. My truck's not done, so I gotta go and get that situated. Woo! I got cold. Better back for more stuff. That's like dirty. Should have tools. I got some tools. Man, filthy in here. This cocker. Check this mother on. Warm it up. Tear it up, ACL. Headset, in case we got some downtime. Got phone. Got a couple more things. This should work. I'll check on that hydrant. Look at that. Sucker frozen. See. Fucking wild. Okay, so hopefully, you know what I didn't fucking grab or think of? I think that's the IV. Oh, that's loose. That's good. In case it has pressure, but I don't. Whew. Turn that. I want to see if that. Oh yeah, it spins. Okay, you're good. Put my gloves on. That's barely going to be on too, so you might get a little wet. But that's fine. Yeah, yeah. I want to slip. Whoa! Easy. Yeah, that's thick. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. I got glasses on.
I close my eyes every time.
Is that what you do when you fuck? Just close your eyes? Ah! Oh!
Ow, I have a forehead.
What forehead?
Big ass forehead. Fuck that.
I'll do it then. I don't want to slip.
I don't have to take this off, do I?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, I saw that one. I was like, I like those. It's like us kids with the silver teeth when growing up. Okay. And I guess now it's cold, right? Is it a little colder?
It's cold.
What was it? It's 5 quota? Yeah, 5 quarter. Okay. At least doing this, the bolt will get nice and hot, warm. But our last bolt is smaller. There you go. Whoa. Oh. I should have some in. I've seen some in the bag. I got it. You go open the gate. I gotta pull this shit there now. Oh. All right, ready for the fun part?
No.
Shoot. So all we gotta do is hit this and then we're able to take it off. I just didn't want to take this off while it's over there. We're actually struggling. But I was gonna get this in. What?
Did I sorry, boss me?
The bottom. So we could, huh? What? Okay. Crisscross. Okay. Take your time.
Yeah, I feel like my ass is out.
Yeah.
Crack got cold.
Look. Don't put them in your pockets.
No, what I'm saying is that where that water was at right there by the shop,
Mm-hmm.
on the side of the building there was water shooting up.
What?
Like if the sprinkler flew out.
Whose?
I don't know.
Oh.
Fucking place that was on the road.
Alright, putting the hydrant back on. I'll have to replace it later. Whoa, my other glove. Oh! My glove. Whoa, it's dragging something. Oh, them nuts. You got them nuts?
Heck no. Where they at?
You
Put a gasket underneath?
Push it in.
No.
Gotta give it some nut tappers.
Real tappers. Oh.
Oh shit.
Real
Oh,
man.
shit.
Were you wet?
No, I can't.
Oh.
I can't feel it.
Yeah, you got those gloves too big for you, bud.
They're just too thick.
Whoa, my fingers are cold now.
Yeah.
The water got on it.
Ooh. What? Woo, shit. Damn kid, if you want to get on it. Huh? He's hovering over it.
Sorry.
You can't get one on.
How'd you become a dad?
I don't know. I might have put it in a cup and then I just put it in there while she was sleeping.
Yeah, I used that incubator.
Incubator.
I need to get cold.
We pregnant.
We're pregnant, baby.
We did it, baby. We made it. Oh, fuck.
What?
You?
There's probably one here somewhere.
That one. Oh. This one.
I saw it. You better put on the heater.
Put it in
We're hand tightening them. These right here we can impact, not these ones.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to snap it. So we'll take that off and use the crescent. I got it? Okay.
There you go. Back in the truck.
Aaron? Probably. Oh, dude, it's cold.
My
Y'all?
gloves on, but go sit in the truck.
No, up here we can impact. Not here. I don't want to snap
Where you
those.
going? Where you going?
Because you make me want to yell at you sometimes, alright?
You just came back.
I
You
know,
don't talk to me like that.
What? Throw it in the heater.
Cousin?
Cousin. Brethren. No,
Are you? Oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. Sorry, sir.
let's see. Last one. Oh. Perfect. That's it. Cool. Now we can use that. That hand's cold.
You come again.
If I am. What? I just warmed my hand up. He thinks I'm just pushing him out of the
This second
fucking
time
way.
I'm trying to warm my hands up.
Well, before we got out, I was warming these gloves, dude. This shit was fucking hot. But now that I'm cold now, it feels regular. Yeah.
You trying to get a frostbite?
Yeah, frothy, baby. Frothy.
You'll be out for another week.
Frothy. No, I don't want to be off.
I said I'd just give them to you. What do you want to give me? How much do you want to give me?
Shut, these guys kissed each other already.
Tell me, I'll agree.
Look.
$5?
Like,
I'm just kidding.
So I mean, they're not like pieces of crap.
so day 2 is a hydrant. And that sucker was frozen. Man, my hands were so cold. But no, 6 o'clock, ready to go home. Edit this video and we're good. But day 2 hydrant. Let's see what we got tomorrow. Alright, let's go home. So the hydrant that we worked on was American Darling, 1995, 5 1/4 barrel size. On that traffic kit, we try not to put in too much pressure on it, or we can possibly snap that traffic kit. And then again, we'd have to go back to the shop, go get a new one. but it worked out good. It took us an hour just to get it taken apart because we're cold, so our hands are freezing. We had to go back to the truck and warm up our hands. But if you guys like this content, start commenting what you guys would do, you know, better, or what's your experience, what you see. If any of you are, you know, water boys, blue collar, see what you guys, you know, deal with on a day-to-day basis. You guys subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. You know, too bad they don't got a meh. Oh shoot, that was the other crew. We got 2 days left. Wednesday, Thursday. Or sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday. My bad. And then I did do standby for the next 2 Fridays. So hopefully get called out. You know, catch up from the holidays, you know, so much money spent. Or it could be nothing and we're just running valves to make sure all our valves are located and that they operate. So when we do get like a break or have to repair something, we know the valves are there and then they work good. And if you do find like a faulty valve that doesn't close all the way, or one that's just not, you can't find, that's why we do those. I guess pretty much preventative maintenance is what I'm saying. But I hope everyone's staying warm. We're trying to stay warm out there. There was a Barnes & Noble's in front of us. I was trying to see if I could go there on lunchtime, but didn't have enough time. After we got that repaired, we went to go eat, and then went to go run valves. So I say that was a job well done. I got this light. I put the 2 lights up here. I turned them on. I had one on, different sides. So I put 2 on this time. See how that goes. And if anything, I might put a different light just to get a good view of me if you guys want to see this ugly mug. And yeah, but no, it's been good 2 days. Tomorrow is workout day, so I might do a quick video. It might be like a montage of me hitting my sets real quick, and if anything, if you guys want more of that, I could. I'm not an influencer or anything. Just just showing you my daily life, what I do. Different guys every time, working different people. So we actually were our 3-man crew, and then the other guys came in because they had some parts I needed. I was running in a crew, not even a crew truck, actual just regular truck that didn't have no parts or tools. So they brought some stuff for us, especially an impact. We needed an impact. No, on that workout, I'm actually gonna do what I do at work. Have it just on my chest, just hitting my reps. I'll turn it on. Like I said, it'll just be montage. It might be me doing my sets for my shoulders, legs. So it'll be more POV, not like a camera setup over here, over there. But we'll see. We'll see. Ooh-wee. We home, baby. All right. Hope you guys are having a good day. Stay warm. Yeah. Peace.